Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Aditya and this is the Urbane Techie. Today we are going to be unboxing and checking out the latest release from OnePlus, the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. While unboxing this, I was actually struck by how soft to the touch and flexible the neckband actually is. I think that is one of the facts that makes it so comfortable to wear for long periods of time. Now the entire frame is plastic, but the earbuds themselves are connected to the band by a thin cable. The thin cable is unbraided unfortunately, so a durability issue is there, but right now the entire thing feels very solid. The entire frame is plastic, but it does not feel cheap on any count. The buds themselves are quite soft and they fit very comfortably in your ear. They also create a seal in the earlobe because the ambient noise just goes way low when we put it in. This also helps when you're playing music or attending calls because the overall sound profile is elevated just by reducing the ambient noise in the background. The media pause function on these headphones is pretty fun to use. You just do this and the media pauses. This is quite addictive, by the way. And this also makes sure that no battery is lost because it automatically closes the connection between your phone and the headset. So, well done OnePlus. OnePlus claims that there's a quick pair mode just for OnePlus phones, but I had a little bit of trouble with it. I could never get that notification pop-up to come up. And I googled it up and a few users were also complaining about the same. I really hope that OnePlus finds a solution to this soon because I'm pretty excited to see an auto pair function in a budget wireless headphone category. OnePlus claims that 10 minutes of charge can give you 10 hours of playback with these headphones. Now that is a very substantial claim and I was a little bit skeptical about it. But given that OnePlus has been legendary with their battery tech, it came as no surprise that their claim does hold up. I've just charged it once since I bought it and it took me about 35 minutes to get it to full charge. I've been using it on and off for almost 7 days now with still 20% battery left in the tank. That is excellent battery life. The range is quite good too, as I could put my phone on charge and go about the house doing my work without experiencing any drop in the call quality or even the connection. Now it did occur to me that this might be because I'm using a OnePlus phone, so I decided to use it with my older Moto G5 Plus. And I did not find any substantial difference there. So anyone who's on the fence about buying these headphones just because they are not a OnePlus user or an iPhone user should rest easy because the user experience is not that different than from a OnePlus device. The music profile on these headphones are a bit bassy at times, but the call quality is pretty good. Anyone looking to purchase these earphones just to make calls or just to take them to the office, I think this might be a perfect choice. Now coming to the main aspect why this headphone is making so much noise in the Indian market, the price. It is priced at 199 INR. Now this puts it in direct competition with players like MI and Realme who have dominated the sub 2000 category till now. The arrival of OnePlus in this sub 2000 category actually feels like a statement to its competitors. And after about 7 days of use, I think I can safely say that we might just have a new king in the budget wireless earphone market. I got these headphones in black because I love black, but for the adventurous amongst you, there are a few other color options to choose from. There's a blue, there's a white, and I believe there's a teal color option, like a jade colored option also. I forget the names, but if you are in the market for a OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z, you should check out all the colors. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.